Alright, let's try this again. So we've got Paul's Old Man Logan set for game 84. Time is March 26, 10:56. March 26, 10:56. Let's grab this list. So we got Ben at number 1, all the way down to Michael at 75. Copy it in this list. So Michael at 75 and Ben at 1. Three dice roll. So we got 6, 7, and 8. Alright, let's get this going. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8. So this is the roll. Good luck. And we've got 10:58 there. Good luck, everyone. 8 times, and the winner is TC. Well done, mate. Had picked spot number 65. That's done. And let's check that again. 6, 7, 8. It's been randomized 8 times, and we have a winner with TC. Thanks, everyone. I'll upload this now.